Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to change date and time on your laptop. To do it, you have to right-click the date time icon and then select Adjust Date and Time. Now, in order to set time manually, you have to switch the toggle to the left next to the Set Time Automatically feature, then select Change, and then expand one of these lists that you want to change and select the values that are right for you. Now, I gotta warn you that by setting time and date to incorrect ones, you will make many online services like Google, for example, unavailable because they require a date and time to be correct. So I recommend only using this feature if your automatic time setter doesn't work correctly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.